What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm MagTag, and today I'm gonna be getting real bad to the bone for you. I'm gonna be transforming myself into an evil she-devil. Not completely sure what I'm gonna do with it yet, but I'm sure it'll have something to do with some red paint and horns. So come join me on my adventure, which will be our adventure. I'm gonna start by covering myself in some red body paint, and then I'm gonna work on some contour. Okay, so here I'm gonna take it in the corner here because I really want to push that inwards. I really want this nose to pop. I don't know why, but it just makes me look and feel way more evil. Take this. Not sure what I'm going for there, but I'm going for it. We'll have to wait and see. So I thought I had a certain idea going into this, and now that I'm going through the motions, this is turning out to be a little bit different. Good different, I don't know yet. Alright, let's do something with these brows. Can we just do eyebrows all day, every day? And I'd be so happy. I'm trying to pull the shape upwards to make me look more like that. Oh, sisters, not twins. Whatever. Whatever. Gold eyeshadow. I'm gonna pop that up there. I want to do like the highlights of my face in gold. Because I want to be different. Not just, yo, run-of-the-mill plain devil. Shoulders for days. Okay, so I'm gonna add some texture. Kind of go in with some. Oh, that might be a mistake. Could we fix that? Oh. No, maybe not. I'm just gonna keep doing the mistake until it becomes something wonderful. Too much, too much. Maybe not, maybe not. Oh, we'll see when it comes out. I might hate it, I might love it, I don't know. Actually, I'm loving it, okay. I think we're on to something. This whole look is just contour and dots and highlight. Like, there's no real explanation. I'm gonna end up taking it too far and the whole thing's just gonna go down the drain. It'll like get to a point where it's good. And then I'm like, oh, I just gotta keep going with this. And then I just wreck it and you just can't tell. So I think I'm gonna put my contacts in, my wig, lashes, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so here's the final look. I definitely took it in a different direction than I thought I was gonna go, but not like completely 180. But I'm definitely not disappointed. I hope you guys liked it. Leave a little devil emoji in the comments if you liked this. If not, leave an angel emoji and maybe I'll do an angel look next. We'll see. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you next time. Okay, bye!